You can talk. I'm gonna silence it anyway. Hmm?
Are you actually doing it?
Yeah. It's an egg cooker. Very excited to try this. These are coasters. That. Kitchen utensil set. And this is a pan. It's a pretty deep pan. And it's a wooden handle. Super non-stick. I'm planning to make fried rice in this later. Pretty exciting. Now let's get to opening the other stuff. So I bought these awesome kitchen utensils. Everything plastic. Pretty excited to unwrap them, but it's just your basic, ceramic tools. These posters here. There's a pack. And look how neat this is. How cute is that? And they're like stones, so they have these cute little designs. Planning to put some here on the coffee table and some over on my dining table.
Yeah, there's a speaker.
And this egg maker, which I'm curious. This I'm going to keep the box for. But this is pretty neat. You just plug it in and on the top and open this. Lid. This is where you put your eggs. Cool. It comes with a measuring cup here. I'll have to look through the instructions later, but there's a hard, medium, and soft. Maybe that's the amount of water you put in if you want to make boiled eggs. that's my box opening.